For most people, buying a home, the most important factor in their search criteria is price. How much home can I afford? While you may have already been pre-approved for a certain amount, there are many other factors to consider with affordability that many home buyers don't know about. One of the biggest expenses that some home buyers get surprised by are property taxes. Property taxes are usually put into an escrow account and paid along monthly with your mortgage payment. Over time, taxes can increase, which means your monthly payment will increase as well. At the time of purchase, a yearly tax rate may be a certain amount and years later can drastically increase. This could create a stressful situation for someone that purchased at the very top of their monthly affordability. It's very helpful for a home buyer to view an area's millage rate where the property of interest is located. A millage rate is used to calculate local property taxes, and another unplanned expense on buyers is homeowners insurance. Just like the tax rate, a homeowner's insurance policy can experience rate hikes as well, which also increases your monthly payment. Lastly, a big homeowner expense that most people are aware of is home repairs. Homes have many different components that can fail or break over time. Costly home repairs can really catch a homeowner by surprise, so it's important to stick to a budget that allows you to be able to address a repair when it arises. Homeownership is a great thing and can provide great advantages, but it's very crucial for home buyers to be prepared for every scenario and purchase when the time is financially fit for them. I'm Kent Stevens with Signature Choice Realty in Valdosta, Georgia. If you have any questions about the home buying process or even selling a home, give me a call at 229-444-2969. I'd love to work with you.